In today's captivating video, we embark on a journey to explore the Aston Martin Vanquish S Ultimate, delving into its exquisite details and unparalleled beauty. Without further ado, let's dive right into the luxurious world of Aston Martin. First look. Introducing the Aston Martin DB12, a true masterpiece of luxury and performance. With a refreshed design and revamped V8 engine, the DB12 stands as a unique gem among Aston Martin models. Its exterior exudes sophistication, with a restyled grille and new LED headlights that add a modern touch. The wider wheel track enhances stability and performance, while the sleek frameless side mirrors and 21-inch forged alloy wheels accentuate its sporty flair. Aston Martin's commitment to contemporary aesthetics shines through in every aspect of the DB12's design, creating a breathtaking car that seamlessly combines style, elegance, and performance. Interior elegance. Step inside the Aston Martin DB12, and you're greeted with a fresh and luxurious interior. The new dashboard, steering wheel, and 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster elevate the cabin's aesthetic and functionality. Premium materials and hand-stitched details create an opulent ambience, while optional bucket-style seats with Alcantara upholstery and carbon fiber accents add a sporty touch. The 10.25-inch digital display serves as Aston Martin's advanced infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, 3D mapping for navigation, and over-the-air updates to keep the software up to date. Despite these updates, the physical controls for drive modes and seat functions remain unchanged, providing a familiar and user-friendly experience for drivers. Performance review. The Aston Martin DBX delivers a stunning combination of design and performance, offering an impressive SUV driving experience. While it boasts a wider bandwidth than other Aston Martin models, the regular variant may be slower than its rivals. Criticisms include a softer brake pedal feel, however. The DBX stands out with distinctive features not commonly seen in other Aston Martin vehicles or SUVs. It's essential to note that modern driver assists may be less prominent in this specific model. In conclusion, the Aston Martin Vanquish S Ultimate represents the epitome of luxury and performance in the automotive world. With its breathtaking design, luxurious interior, and impressive performance capabilities, it stands as a testament to Aston Martin's unwavering commitment to excellence. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of automotive elegance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on upcoming cars and luxury vehicles.